Hi everyone, my name is Juan Rivera, and for my presentation I want to talk about what are elements that we use in our world, such as this. Alright, then let's get on to the presentation. One of the elements that I want to talk about is gold. It's number 79 in the periodic table. Its appearance is metallic yellow, so it's such as right here, it's a very shiny rock. And how we use it today is that people use it in coins, jewelry, and other material. Gold dissolves into mercury, but this is not a chemical reaction. Gold's form is shaped as nuggets or grains in rocks, such as the picture right here on the top right. Alright, the next one we're talking about is silver. Is number 47 in the periodic table on the top left. Its appearance is that it's a metallic and white metal, such as the top right. It's rocks, but it shows how shiny the material is. It is used in coins, and it's also sometimes alongside with gold. Silver is similar in its physical and chemical properties, such as the group 11, which is the copper in the periodic table, and it's also closely related to gold. It's also silver is also important as gold. Alright, the last element we're going to talk about is copper. Is number 27 in the periodic table. No, not 27, sorry, in the 29th in the periodic table. And it is soft. It's a soft metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity. Copper is used as a conductor as heat and electricity, such as building material. Copper used in buildings, usually for roofing. Its appearance is like a metallic red-orange luster. And here's my work site.